A punch for the gravy and now it's time. A punch for the gravy and now it's time.
Yeah. Yo, and welcome along to part 2 of our Bass House Track from Scratch series. It's gonna be a banger. Loads of people have been super excited about the series, almost as much as I've been excited about the series, which is quite a high level at the moment because I've just been listening to a bunch of Bass House tracks and oh man, it's got me inspired. So today's episode is gonna be the breakdown / build up into the first drop. I wanna say it's gonna be a short episode, but I have no clue. Last time was meant to be a short episode and it was not that. Anyways, let's get started with the episode. I'm gonna play from halfway through what we did last time and then transition into the breakdown so we know what we're up against in this episode. So this bit, I kind of got a bit carried away last time I started doing like vocal things and like the down sweep. Alright, first things first, we're going to do a classic sub bass pitch drop and I got the 808s in mind. Yeah, it's F. Which is convenient because we got an F sample. Change from beats to complex because we're going to be mucking with the pitch. Go into transposition, some automation points there, and drop it. That might have been too soon. Maybe negative 48 is not ideal. I'm always memeing about putting reverb on your sub bass, but oh my god, I think I'm actually going to do it today. So we're going to add a little bit of punch. No, not there. Because there is like a high end part of the kick. It's not all sub. So if we load up a reverb and make sure we're bypassing the sub. See, this little bit is the sub, so we're going to go for the high end. I can kind of hear some. And make sure the bass is mono after that, just in case. Can we ping pong the sub? Yeah, that's cool. Alright, next step has got to be the classic low pass snare drums. I hear it in so many bass house tunes and it works for a reason because it's sick. So let's load in some snares. I don't know which one to go for. I usually go for swingy ones in the past, but like I said, I've been listening to a lot of bass house, so I kind of know it does it, all the tunes are like normal. Let's try normal. If it's just not suiting, then we can reverse it back to the swingy one. But anyway, low pass filter. Consolidate as well, Command J, so it's all just one audio clip. Oh, let's do the reverse of the sub drop. So we go to clip, transposition, make sure it's complex, and instead of dropping the pitch, let's make it rise by maybe 12 semitones, which is an octave. Bit of reverb. I mean, I didn't intentionally make it go. Yeah, I did actually. That was a complete accident. I forgot I was meant to go like there, but that sounds just as cool. We're gonna roll with that. Is that the kick? That would be the hats, and that would be our recorded claps. We're gonna need some kind of filter. Let's try high pass. And let's bring in the reverb as well. More. This happens every fucking time I do a build-up breakdown video. Like building up, and then I get to the drop and there's nothing there. And I know I haven't made it yet, but I'm always just so disappointed. I'm like, oh man, I should know better because I haven't done the drop yet. Let's bring in a few more drum tings. Yeah, kind of like that. Alright, fuck it. I got an idea. I hardly ever do this, but I'm going to record my own pre-drop phrase. I just need to think of something completely bonkers. My plant spilled the gravy, and no one hears ravey. My plant spilled the gravy, and now it's time to ravey. Yeah, fuck it. My plant spilled the gravy, and now it's time to ravey. Fuck, I'm just going to warp it. I don't care. My plant spilled the gravy, and now it's time to ravey. Plant spilled the gravy, and now it's time to ravey. What the fuck? Plant spilled the gravy, and those now it's... Oh, that was a good start. My plant spilled the gravy, and those shoes are new. My plant spilled the gravy, and now it's time to ravey. Now I like that one, even though it's clipped. Hopefully we can do some mad processing. Fuck, I'm just gonna warp it. I don't care. Should we just have that in the song? My plant spilled the gravy, and now it's time to ravey. Oh dear. My plant spilled the gravy, and now it's time to ravey. Pitch down, we're gonna do Complextro Pro, so we get the performance. My plant spilled the gravy, and now it's time to... My plant spilled the gravy, and now it's time to rave. My plant spilled the gravy, and now it's time to ravey. Boom, boom. Oh, I'm way too fucking gassed. My plant spilled the gravy, and now it's time to rave. OTT, never hurt. My plant spilled the gravy, and now it's time to ravey. What the fuck am I doing? I have no idea if this is gonna work, but you know. There's so much bass, jeez! I might need a separate channel. Yeah, I'm gonna duplicate it. So I have that one clean, and this one can be without bass. More plunge. Oh, I started way too soon. Oh, third channel. Oh my god. Can I even stretch it that much? Oh, texture might sound fucked. What am I thinking of? What am I thinking of? Delay, that's the one. Oh, I got too many ideas. One more. This is the classic effect everybody wants to know about. I think I've done a tutorial on it before. You take, it's that kind of ghost in that, and then into the vocal, if that makes any sense, hopefully. Maybe just take that chop, reverb the shit out of it. I just want that, because I want that note. Overdrive a tiny bit. Even more reverb. OTT. I said I've done a tutorial on this. I should know how to do it. Freeze and flatten. And flatten. Take this and then reverse it again. So, ghosts in. It needs to sound way more fucked than that. And then everything cuts off there, because yes, that's when the phrase comes in. It delivers its full power. My plant spilled the gravy, and now it's time to ravey. Oh, it's so dumb. Do we need the classic Reese bass as well? Let's load up our friend Serum. Does it even have OTT? Damn straight it does. So basically I use this all the time here in loads of tracks. It is saw away with heaps of unison on 2 oscillators. That's optional, which is just making it a little bit more wider. A little bit of distortion, that's also optional. Compression, OTT, and then a low pass filter. What about we bring in like that? That's sick. Right to the automation before the MIDI. Might even pitch this up as well, just because. That's way not soon enough.
With the gravy, and now it's time to ravey.
Boom, yeah. Okay, it's sounding good now. Reverb. Overdrive never hurt. Doesn't sound seamless between this bit and... Stretch it out just a little bit so it's not just a quick sound. Or maybe I chop everything off there so we can hear my, the word my. We need like a fat drum for the I think I know what it is. I think it's like the classic Amen drum break sound. Yeah, there we go. Drop off right at the end with a little bit of pitch. Also tempted to just like tune my vocal because it's just not working.
My blood spilled the gravy and now it's time to ravey. My blood spilled the gravy and now it's time to ravey. My blood spilled the gravy and now it's time to ravey. My blood spilled the gravy and now it's time. My blood spilled the gravy and now it's time to ravey. My blood spilled the gravy and now it's time to ravey.
That's not bad.
My blood spilled the gravy and now it's time to ravey.
Alright, let's see what we have so far because I've done quite a lot of working on it but not really listening to it in context, so I'm hoping it's going to work. Alright, fingers crossed. Here it goes. So much sub bass.
With the gravy and now it's time to ravey.
Alright, maybe not the Damon break. I feel like this is a little bit too cliche, but the rest, yeah, fuck it, why not? It works. Since when did you get more bass? No. There we go.
My blood spilled the gravy and now it's time to ravey.
Yeah.
My blood spilled the gravy and now it's time to ravey. My blood spilled the gravy and now it's time to ravey.
So many subtle, small edits.
My blood spilled the gravy and now it's time to ravey.
Let's replace.
Blood spilled the gravy and now it's time to ravey. Blood spilled the gravy and now it's time to ravey.
Alright, one more thing. I got one more idea. Oh great, another video of me saying at the start, oh, it's probably going to be a short video, and then ends up being a long ass video. Just underestimate these things. Anyway, while I was talking, I created a sine bass. I'm going to freeze that. Freeze that, thank you. And I'm going to flatten that. And I'm going to pitch it up, I think. Yep. Transposition, my favorite friend in this series. Complete show. Low pass filter and the high pass, cause why not? Pitch that in so it gets wider. Actually, I better check on Urban Dictionary that ravey doesn't have like a second meaning. Ravey I'm thinking of is going to a rave and partying. I swear to God, ravey better not be something else. Oh, fuck. What? Not the top definition. The term ravey means a girlish bottom. The second definition. When you're at a rave club concert and you're getting really into it. Or when you're looking really hyped up about something. I can't wait to get ravey tonight at the club. Thank you. Not the first definition.
My blood spilled the gravy and now it's time. My blood spilled the gravy. My blood spilled the gravy. My blood spilled the gravy and now it's time to rave.
My blood spilled the gravy and now it's time.
My blood spilled the gravy and now it's time to rave.
Yeah, I love it. Maybe slightly out so it kind of sounds like a Dublin.
My blood spilled the gravy and now it's time to rave.
Oh, bye. Vocal doubler. I think Isotope released this for free, or it still might be free a while ago, and it's a banging plugin. Still too quiet.
plugs for the gravy and now it's time to rave me. My plugs for the gravy and now it's time to rave me. My plugs for the gravy and now it's time. My plugs for the gravy and now it's time to rave me. My plugs for the gravy and now it's time to rave me.
Fuck it, we'll leave it there, guys. We'll honestly leave it there, otherwise we'll be here for hours on it. In my mind, it seems simple. I did want to achieve like the down sweeps, the vocal phrase, the building up to the vocal phrase, the snares building up, the bass, the drum breaks and stuff, but oh my god, I underestimated the time it was going to take me. I forgot I still got this bit.
Fuck, I'm just gonna warp it, I don't care.
It's going to be in the middle of nowhere. Oh yes.
Fuck, I'm just gonna warp it, I don't care.
That's something definitely to look forward to next time. Who let me have a YouTube channel, honestly? Anyway, let's listen to it from the top. Yes! Sick! Definitely the weirdest video I think I've ever done. Anyway, next time is of course going to be the first part of the drop, or maybe the second part of the drop, depends how it goes really. Next one's gonna be a banger, so stay tuned for that. As always, if you do want to support me in the channel, check out the link in the description where we host our own sample and serum packs. I've been using a ton of them throughout the series and it has been golden. Yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, it would mean a lot, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode, the drop one. It's gonna be glorious. I'll catch you there, and peace.
Plugs for the gravy and now it's time to rave me.